Okay, so hi there everybody. We're now in our last video on the laws of exponents. Okay, as far as the first to the fifth laws are concerned. Now, try to recall first again the definition of what exponentiation is. So we have a raised to n is equal to a times a times a times until the nth a, where you multiply the a n times. And we will finally consider the power of a quotient. That's our fifth law. Anyways, so as an example, let us raise a over b to the third power. So let us raise um, a over b to the third power. Now this is equal to by this definition, we are raising this term here three times. So it's like saying that this is a over b times a over b times a over b. Okay, so by the laws of multiplication or multiplying integers or algebraic expressions, so we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. What we will have is a times a, and in the denominator we have b times b times b. So we can collect all the b's here and make it a single term, but put an exponent. So this becomes a cubed, and this becomes b cubed. And yeah, this will lead us to our last and final law for exponents. So this is our fifth law as far as our book is concerned. So this is the power of a quotient. Power of a quotient. So this is our fifth law. In a moment. Okay, so this is our fifth law in exponents. Okay, so what does this fifth law state? So the nth power of a quotient is the nth power of the dividend divided by the nth power of the divisor. So in symbols, it's just like our fourth law, only that in division part. So a divided by b, all raised to n, is equal to a raised to n, b raised to n, for all n in the positive integers. Okay? So that's what the law states. So as an example of the application of this law, in a moment. Okay, so as an example, so let's have example one. So when we have, for example, we have a, what will that be? Let's have 32 raised to uh raised to 9, for instance, all over say 8 raised to 9. So what is the answer? Okay, maybe you can pause the video and try to answer that. Okay, so let's have it. Since the exponents are the same, we can just copy the exponents right away, okay, by the power of this law. And then we're going to apply the division. 32 divided by 8 is what? 32 divided by 8 is going to be 4, actually. Okay, since 8 times 4 is going to give us 32. So our answer for example 1 is 4 raised to 9. How about for example 2? Let's have one more example, okay, shall we? For example 2, um, maybe we'll have, what do we have want to have? So x raised to 3 all over, um well, that be um what, y raised to 3. Okay, let's have that arbitrarily, so you can pause the video for that. Okay, so I think you have the answer now. So since they are variables, so we cannot simplify them actually, so maybe we can just put them in a single fraction bar and then put the 3 outside. So that's our answer, the cube rather, cube outside. So that's our answer for example number 2. Okay, so I think that's enough examples for this fifth video for the laws of exponents. This is again the power of a quotient. And yeah, that will be the end of this video right now. I'm going to give you more examples or more exercises. after this video, right after this video. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much.